natural coconut. The girl said she don't want no coconut milk.
No coconut milk. What like to be use coconut? Coconut milk.
Jerk one? Jerk one, I go on with itself over there, so. Blazing.
I go do them, you know.
Go to that Portland. Guys, go to that Portland Tesha's TV, say.
I go do them every show, man. You can't believe the Albert, then he come from Portland, Deal. And you know, so everything we use up there is natural. And I'm going to tell me, say, the cream coconut better.
They never tell us it better.
Oh.
They will say, me not great in a coconut or blending one. Because me know how to make the dream work. And me want to use it back and you tell me, say, I don't coconut.
Well, you're going to use the coconut. But nowadays, still, you know what I mean? The coconut there, if me I do like shrimp or them look something there. But, or, I want a quick cook. So, everything out of tin, quick.
Today, I'm here with two of Portland's finest chef, Tesha's TV, and exploring with Albert over there. Them they here a cook up a storm. Yeah. So if you want to see already.
Category 5 this is
Yeah, there's a category 5 guys, so we just have to stay tuned and watch out what go on. If it go deal with Jamaica like how Melissa deal with it.
That's wicked.
See they have curry water and see they have a peas yeah. A boil. No man we not say beef. So exploring with Albert and Tesha's TV. Yeah, them out here cook up a storm. I'm not telling you what them a cook, but as you go by, you can watch the process and see what go on. See jerk pan over here, so yeah. So that's just a wait for intervention. Yeah. So guys, you wanna see this?
It's called curry beef.
Where? There is beef in there. Where is it?
The chef them
where's
I
the
too
beef?
big bad chef them this in a Portland, you know. And if them saw beef, that me I work with.
This is good. Where's the beef?
Well, I curry good.
Where's the beef in that bird?
A chef among chef, you know.
No, where's
Chef
the beef?
among
No, where's the beef in
When
this?
you have a melt out a little puppy.
Where's the beef in this? Cookout. Cookout. Cook meat. Cook what? Hey, then yesterday go. Hey guys, welcome back. No, it'll be welcome back, but big up Tesha's TV and exploring with Albert, Portland's finest.
Yeah.
Chefs, yeah.
Yeah.
The baddest.
Yeah, the good vlog. You know. we do all sorts of things. Jerk chicken.
Oh,
Me show them a preview already, man. From they see the cooking at the front, they know what go on. They know what time it is. Yeah.
the Portland finest there.
All kind of stuff I deal with because this is my son's birthday. You know,
Like
say,
have one big party.
you know, say me happy there.
This look like a store love.
You know, say me happy there.
Full of music I go come.
Yeah, guys. So, wanna just stay tuned and go and watch through the process with Portland's finest.
Right, sure.
Yeah. 2 chefs, 1 place. So you know say it's gonna be epic.
One part,
Yeah. It's gonna be epic, guys.
Okay guys, so jerk chicken. You know, chicken pan grill. Hey, this is about the festive, you know. Festive body, I think I any dance. My dear. So stay tuned guys and continue to watch Tesha's TV. One son. I forgot all of your child. Look for goat. For goat. Alright. For goat. Pure goat. Goat meat, man. And this goat meat is very
So guys, this is the pork. It's a massive cookout, you know, no little.
okay guys, so rice are going on pot here now. Hey, you think it take boy if you look about so much rice? Eh?
How much pound of rice is? I'll 5 pound of rice, but we spoil. We don't can't cook so much rice.
Yeah, 12 pound.
They say everybody know what then which part of talent lies, you know, because
No.
because then as money could I give me so much rice and tell me for look bossy, then I get rice soup.
So she couldn't look about so much rice.
Yeah man, everybody know what their talent then.
True. I believe that.
Yeah,
I believe
everybody
so.
have everyone a little talent. And that's why when God at this show then said don't be like man, and that can tell me, you know, don't be like man. Find your own talent. So guys, the most of the chicken down there and the up top. So you know say that always keep warm.
Man, see chef around that side that go and do anything.
Yeah, where they are. Match up the jerk chicken.
That is it, man. That chicken in the pot.
Wanna clear a bottle of Cabernet. Wanna stay home, not even drink. Wanna get out of my own head. Wanna lay down, overthink.